Because the last time I find you something, if you go gone away, I don't want it. Can you remember that was? What? Come put my hand on it.